Hello everyone, this is the Super Wig Maker. This is another video of another order, and today I am making a full lace wig with virgin hair, and I am going to use the hair that I got from my factory, which has the scales on the root removed. At least that's what they said. I mean, I paid for that and they sent me this hair, and they said that about 4 inches, which is about 10 centimeters, has the scales removed, so it's this amount. So the returns can be at least that long, because usually we keep them like 2 inches or 5 centimeters. In this case I can have them that long, and if I go a little further on it won't matter, because scales should only exist in this little area, which wouldn't cause a problem. So you can see that the returns can be much longer. Now I'm gonna make the wig cap. I'm gonna have Swiss lace in the front, thick Swiss lace on the neck, and then the rest is gonna have a little bit of stretch and stuff. I'm not gonna show all this process because my videos are getting too repetitive on this subject. So I'm gonna show you a couple of times that I make the wig, and then I'm gonna show you the final result. So I have only placed the Swiss lace in the front and the top. This is ATB lace, which is coated and it's thin but strong enough. Then I have 40 denier lace all the way around, which is stronger, the strongest Swiss lace. And the reason why I did it like that is because I'm not going to have any folds or darts or any neck tabs or any elastics over here, because that's how she wants this. She wants it to be open lace all around, so she can glue it. That's how she wears her unit. And of course I'm going to have to put the rest of the lace, stronger lace. I'm going to have to put the elastic right over here. I'm going to skip all that. It's a long process. I'm not going to show anything. I'm going to show you the final result on this one. And of course this is the area that's going to have full high definition. So I'm going to bleach the hair now. I already have it hooped. I already have the hair going on a 90 degrees angle, and you can actually see the inside now. That thing tilts. And I'm gonna apply the bleach only in the perimeter and the parting area here. And I'm gonna have to do it in one go because I really want this not to take too long. So yeah, sorry for the weird yeah, I'm too close now, but anyway, just let me just show you. All right, I bleached it and then I toned it, and you can see it right now against extreme contrast because this is still white, too white for skin. So you can see the difference between the non-bleached, and these are also double knots, so yeah, you can't really judge that. These are single knots, you can see the difference. And I also placed the leave-in conditioner. The hair is so malleable, look at that. It feels like cream. This is how the back looks. I'm gonna actually show you when it's fully dry. So I'm gonna have to make sure that it all dries into the direction that I want it to dry. I have to brush it. I'm not gonna make any partings because I don't want to. Oops. I'm gonna have to show you the final result. It's always as usual. I'm gonna take partings when it's dry, and I'm gonna do it against my skin as always, so you can see how that looks.